This is an emergency action notification. All broadcast and cable systems shall transmit this emergency message. This message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. At approximately 8:42 a.m. Mountain Daylight Time, the Yellowstone caldera in northwest Wyoming began a significant volcanic eruption event. The United States Geological Survey has confirmed that this is a major caldera-forming eruption. A large ash plume has reached into the upper atmosphere, and is currently spreading across much of the central and western United States. Ashfall of up to 3 feet is expected within 500 miles of the eruption. Lighter ashfall may occur as far as the east coast within 24 hours. Take the following precautions immediately. Remain indoors. Seal windows and doors. Do not attempt to travel unless instructed by authorities. Avoid inhaling ash. Use N95 masks or a cloth barrier if necessary. Turn off HVAC systems that draw outside air. Stock food and clean water for at least 14 days. This is a nationwide emergency. Further instructions will follow. This is not a test. Repeat, this is not a test. The Yellowstone supervolcano has erupted. Ash and debris are spreading rapidly. Remain calm, and stay tuned to official news and emergency broadcasts.